Hello everyone. Today is the 12th of October 2024. Hope you're all doing well. This is take two. The audio of the first take was lousy, so I'm doing it again. Hopefully I remember what I just got through saying. Anyway, it's been a while since I've been able to do an update. Really haven't anything to report because I'm dealing with health issues still related to my foot surgery. Unfortunately, I developed a clot in my left leg on the lower leg. So now I'm on blood thinners. They're trying to get that resolved so the swelling will go down and I can resume a normal life. And because I'm more susceptible to bleeding now because of the blood thinners, I can't work on the car because I get cut all the time when I work on these old cars. So the rear brakes are still pending, haven't done them yet, but I do have some news to report. I had a conversation yesterday with Brian, my friend in Brandenburg, Kentucky. He's been holding this transmission that I got for free near where he lives. He's been storing it for me. He's also a certified Ford mechanic. He's offered to go through that transmission for me and rebuild it because he's had the oil pan off, kind of clean it up a little bit. He says it doesn't look like this transmission was recently rebuilt to him. He did say the torque converter looks like it's been rebuilt. So he suggested that he go through it, which I gladly will let him do. He knows what he's doing, and he doesn't charge me much money to do these things, which I really appreciate. So I'm just going to send him whatever he tells me he needs as far as hard parts and a rebo kit, that kind of thing. So I'm not going to be doing the midway meeting point, 5 hours one way for each of us to swap or to get that transmission. He's going to rebuild it for me. Then I'll pick it up next spring in March when I head down to Texas, moving to San Antonio. And hopefully he'll be willing to look at the car and see about the body work too. I might even end up leaving the car with him. Who knows? But so anyway, that's kind of what's going on with that. I'd also like to report that my clock has now been working continuously for about a month, nonstop. This was the second attempt by Main Street Classic Cars out of Denver, Colorado. The gentleman there, his name is Jim. He took it back a second time and worked on it some more and got it going. So I'm happy that that's taken care of now. It's a little thing, but I like all the little things to work like they should. The only other thing I'm going to do today, which I can safely do, is I'm going to take the cover partially off and start the engine up, let it warm up. It's been sitting for about a month and a half now, so I just want to let it run and charge the battery up, things like that. So that's really going to be about it. So I'll let you watch me as I attempt to start the engine. All right, there she sits, covers off. I checked the fluid levels, everything is fine. Like I said, she's been sitting here for about a month and a half, so this may take a little cranking before she'll start up. Gives it plenty of pumps on the gas pedal here. Let's see how she does. All right, first attempt. Oh, there we go. Oh, that wasn't bad. All right. I guess I need to have more faith in my girl here. So anyway, there's the clock running away as it should be. So I'll exercise the windows while we're here too. Anyway, that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to let it warm up, roll the windows up and down a couple times, shut her back off, and cover her up for the probably the duration of the winter until I move next year. Let's go see how she sounds in the back here with the exhaust. I did remember to pull the cover up a little bit so the exhaust can flow freely. Oh yeah, she sounds good. It sounds just fine. Just wanted to show the engine running, how quiet it is. I'm still amazed at that. I just love that. Air conditioning's running. It's nice and cold. I've actually got the defrost valve working. It's working properly. We'll open that vacuum door up there to send heat up to the windshield, and heater core is working like it should. I think it's warm enough now that the air coming out of here should be pretty hot. Yeah, it's getting there. Not warmed up enough just yet. But the air conditioning was still sending cold air to the vents inside the car, so looking good. Makes me feel better. All right, and that concludes this short video. Sorry I haven't been able to do more updates, but I'm sure you understand. I wish I was healthy again, but I'm not. So anyway, thanks for viewing this update. It'll probably be quite a while before I have another one, so hope you have a nice rest of the season, rest of the year, and take care.